Hello, my name is Justin, and today I'm going to be talking about gene therapy. Gene therapy is a new way to correct or disable certain genetic disorders. These kind of disorders can be either Down syndrome or color blindness. But let's start from the basics so then you aren't too lost in this specific topic in genetics. A gene contains DNA, and DNA contains information about how the body or new cells are produced. Genes are very important within the body. Without them, you wouldn't be here right now. And they're almost like instructions for the cell, telling you what to do. Genes passing is hereditary, or otherwise known as passed through the generations. Due to this, it can be easily mutated and lead to the body not working correctly. A good example of this is ALD, a disorder that disables the ability to get rid of fatty acids within the brain. The mortality rate is 90% at the age of 10, and it may cost up $3 million in medicine. Describing this therapy is complicated, however, and needs to be described in steps. The first step: geneticists find a certain virus that can go into the source of genetic disorder, in this case the brain, and is altered so it will do no harm to the body and will just be known as a means of transportation for the genes and editor for the genes. For the second step, the scientists then collect the blood stem cells within the bone marrow. This is normally through the leg of the arm, so it won't be as vital to the body. They then put the blood stem cells into an IV bag for a controlled environment. The third step, the virus then infects the blood stem cell and releases the new genes, along with an editor for it to properly be installed into the DNA or genes of the cell. The editor scans the DNA within the nucleus of the cell and alters the new genes to be compatible. The new genes then tell the cell to produce this certain chemical. The stem cells then get distributed back into the bone marrow and creates a new type of blood cell. For the fifth step, this blood cell goes through the blood cycle, and along the way turns into a new cell that is made to suck up all the fatty acids within the brain and leave. The problem with this therapy, however, is that it costs $1 million. And, well, that's better than $3 million, but not as great for minor ones. Due to this, it isn't profitable to companies, unlike medicine. Well, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a great day also, and thank you for listening.